thing to do. This morning when I came, I spoke about trading, why everybody should be trading in the 5 minute time frame. But another thing I noticed is that a 5 minute time frame, in as much as it's nice to, you know, predict movement, it's also risky, you know, because 1 minute the market is up, next minute the market is down. So I just thought, let me see what's going on. Okay, I received a notification from my other phone. So I was just asking myself, so what is the best way to trade if 5 minutes is this risky? And I came to the conclusion that the best way to trade forex trade is to trade with 4 hours. And 4 hours time frame has been my favorite hours. Well, my new forex trading strategy, I think I need just to add 50. I need to add 50 EMA here. The new forex trading strategy has been comprised of 4 hours trading. I hit smaller time frame. Not that I hate 5 minutes. I like 5 minutes because to tell you what is happening at a particular time. 1 hour is maybe it's straight, but let me try this one. Okay, yeah. This trade I took on BTC GPU, I took it said yeah. I took it based on four. I took it based on 4 hours time frame. And why did I take that? Thank God, God, oh God. Do you ever get tired of calling? Do you ever get tired of calling? What? Let me talk to you later, eh? Let me talk to you later. Yeah. Alright, now no issue. We'll talk later, eh? We'll talk later. Alright, bye. I love you more. Take care. Hello? This one is, this one is mad. This one is mad. So, I devised another means of catching these trades. Okay, that is where my 50 EMA is sitting. That trade is just like almost 1:1. That means the 25 EMA is giving me a wrong signal at this one. So I should be considering the 50 EMA. Let's see now. That is crazy. Let me see if I can get another entry from. Okay, go this selling to the 4 hours time frame. Once it crosses, let me remove one of these EMAs that is giving me wrong signal. Yeah. So once it crosses, I think that is a 50 EMA that I have there on 50 EMA. Let me make it clear. Uh, Once it crosses my red EMA is 9 EMA. I used to monitor the current movement. Once it crosses and closes in next 23 minutes, I'm looking at the 4 hours time frame. Oh, I think the 1 hour time frame is even more better. Yeah, it has crosses already. The 1 hour time frame. I'm taking it there. I just make it 10 because I have a huge account. Make it like 8. I'm taking it there. Okay. My stop loss, why I'm waiting for the 4 hours because my stop loss should be on the 4 hours. But for now, since 1 hour has given me a rejection week here, so I'll use the rejection week and make my stop loss. And that is 1,800 I'm risking for this trade. I should get like, just go to this 50 MA here. I should get 1 is to 2 thereabouts. And this other one I took again, I took another side there. 1 is to 2. I think 1 hour time frame should be okay. Okay, so I just make a profit from this. So this is something I just did. Um, one good thing about trading is that one good thing about using the higher time frame is that you make little mistake and you'll be more accurate compared to trading the lower time frame. That is just one thing I noticed. And the higher time frame give you less trades. You will not trade that much when they say over trading. Like me, there's one time I was just waiting for only 4 hours because I predict the next 4 hours candle. There's a technique I was using to predict the next 4 hours candle. So whenever I wait for the next 4 hours, what I will do is trade because I trade two sections. I trade 8 o'clock. Now it's almost 8 o'clock, so I would say technically London section is open because this is currently in UK using London time. 8 o'clock is almost there around the corner, so I trade London section and I trade New York section. So what I do is predict the next candle of 4 hours. And now 8 o'clock is the when one candle will print. Towards 9 o'clock, one candle in the market usually prints. And towards 2 o'clock, another candle in the afternoon will print. Or 4 hours, I'm talking of 4 hours. And I predict from 8 o'clock to London's New York section opening, from New York section opening to the close by 6 p.m. in the evening. That is how I normally trade. But now, due to that prediction, I used to go 1:1. I don't like it. So I decided to start trading trend line instead, but using my 4 hours and my higher time frame. This girl is still calling me. Okay, she's not calling me. Oh, God. So that is it, guys. So this market now is falling down. See, I cashed it like it's a sharp knife falling down. Using the smaller time frame, it will keep freaking you out. And yesterday I was using 1 hour time frame, 1 minute time frame to trade. I was so disappointed with the results. And guys, for those people asking me, is this your real money? Guys, you can get funded by Funded Desk. I'll give you my um promo code. If you buy an account with my promo code, if the account is supposed to be sold for $100, get it for $50. Let me see if I can generate my promo code from Fondeles. Then I will tell you what my promo codes are, and you guys can get funded. All these accounts are funded accounts. There's one time I was trading the biggest account, almost 500,000. I had some issues with other accounts though. So those accounts are funded accounts. So mind you. Oh, yeah, that account was crazy. Oh god. 18 690 1080 691 That is not my password if anybody's thinking it's my password. Not my password though. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, that is 3,000 secured right now. Let me see if I can get my promo code to you guys. Subscribe to my story. Okay, yes, subscribe. Here's my promo code. I actually purchased Stellar One accounts, so anybody I would advise purchase Stellar One account more easier if you want to go for Stellar Two. More better if you're good at futures trading. Excellent. Me, I'm not good at it, so I ran away. Use coupon. Having strike future use coupon to let me find my promo code. Where did they say invite you find refer, yeah, refer dashboard. Balance. Uh, can I customize my referral code? Hmm, referral code. Can I customize this? Okay, guys, my referral code is. Let me go back. Why I'm not bothered with this thing is that I think I've put my stop loss in most of these things. My take profit, I mean to say, in most of these things. This is a higher time frame. I treat it like it must happen. It is acting as if it's rejecting there, but I treat it like it must happen. I've put my stop loss, I've secured my take profit there. That is my stop loss, that is my take profit, and this is 22K. Wow. That is my take profit as well. Wow, 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 wow. And I put it at this 50 EMA because this 50 EMA might reject the candle. Because if you watch here, see this pattern here, it might repeat itself where the market was going up and it came to 15, 15 EMA rejected it. It went back up again. But now the market couldn't hold, it broke again. You understand? Even if we just short here a little bit and do this one here, immediately I see, okay, immediately I see this candle, I should be skeptical. Short there a bit. Yeah. I think I need to change because of this thing. I need to decrease my EMA self line. I want to narrow it so that I'll do 5 instead. So I want to make it tighter so that I'll not lose money. So if I buy here, it's not down, it's not closed down. Okay, it's rejecting. See here. If you want to go out, I will see it and I will be out of the market quickly. I say here, immediately don't go out. I'll be so tight with it. I'll be so tight with it and vice versa. So it has broken here, right? It has broken here. So if it gives me profits, if it wants to go out or reverse back before you know, I'll find it and I'll. Wait, that thing is reversing. It's fucking reversing. The momentum is not holding me. Did it go to sweep liquidity? I can't say. But it's 4 hours supporting this thing because I'm trading. That's why I like trading with 4 hours instead of see that 50 EMA there. And 4 hours is having that 50 EMA. Do you think 4 hours can break its own 50 EMA? Yeah, I mean, I don't think so. I'll just I've lost most of my profits. I'm using 1 hour to estimate my take profits. Yeah, this is 1 hour I'm using. You see why trading higher time frame is more better? 1 hour is now pushing me out. Let's hope that 1 hour will not misbehave. Because 1 hour has a huge gap to ride though. 1 hour don't be misbehave. Oh. Meanwhile, let me check back on this guy. Did I buy from 1 hour? It's getting to 1 hour 50 EMA. Alright, that 50 EMA is like a stop time for me. Let me just close this one. This is BTC JPY. Once it has decided with this 50 EMA, then I would want to go for the alright because 50 EMA is like a stop sign too. Boom. This 50 MA caused a resistance at this area. So it's crossing this area, so it's caused a resistance. Then after some decision, then it started selling again. So maybe if I come the next time, I'll see it. Nice. So that is perfect. And this other one, see the 50 MA, how far it is from the 4 hours time frame. It's quite far. Anyway, you know it has passed the 50 EMA already, and this is not a good trade. Let me find a better trade. Close profitable. That is not a good trade for me because 50 EMA should support our movement, right? So that is not a good trade. It's kind of because you can see here it has rejected 1 4 hours, 2 4 hours, 3 4 hours, 4 4 hours, 5 4 hours, 6 4 hours. The tendency for this thing to break this line. It's even rejected here, went up. You rejected here, went up. Rejected here, came up again. Now it's made another new line here. It's now respecting this line. So for 4 hours to break this line, I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. All right. Though it's trying to push like it wants to break it, but I've closed with profits. And let me just see if I can get something better, more better. US 30, you know you're my friend. Yeah, 4 hours has broken this line. So guys, say I'll just take two. One is fine. One, and two. Why are you taking this, sir? My 50 EMA is above, my 5 EMA is telling me to sell, and this is 4 hours time frame, higher time frame, the time frame that you have to respect. Let me see my 1 day candle first. On a a downtrend, no need to check the 1 week because 1 day has concluded with a downtrend. 4 hours has told me to sell. I have nothing to argue with 4 hours. My stop loss will be where? Stop loss will be here, and that is my stop loss. I won't joke with that stop loss, it's very tight. We take profit on this take profit. And 1:3 is fine, or 1:2. If it can bring it 1:8, it's more better. Perfect. Sorry, 1:3 or 1:4. That is more perfect. Now let me just apply that to the next candle. So that's it would I think I will apply this one. Copy stop loss one, copy the stop loss and the take profits. Come here with my stop loss here, with my take profits here, then modify. I think that is it. This one is zero at the bottom, zero at the bottom. I'm not making mistake. So we have modified it. Let's hope for the best. And this is 4 hours time frame. We're trying to do this trade. So it has not closed. It's showing me that there's a resistance there, but due to the 50 mh there, don't need to delay on the movement. Let's go with it. All right. And that being said, let me see if there's any movement in this area. Same, beautiful. 4 hours time frame, 55 EMA has told me, sir, and 4 hours 50 EMA is telling me that is a downtrend. I don't have to argue with Euro, US, Euro, this thing. I'm just taking 10 again, just one. Let's go. Let's go. And where should I put this thing that is reasonable? Because this thing does not look like incomplete candle, and it's not reasonable to keep it here. I'm taking it to the upside. Find the last candle that is reasonable, and that is this one that is reasonable here. That is 5,000 euros skin bro. Yes, I'm risking 80% of my account. No, I think it should be here. That should be more reasonable because this is 5 this thing. And where is reasonable? I think here is more reasonable. This is 1:4 again. Guys, if that I have the strength, I would have streamed to you this trade comes to pass. But let's just see. I mean, hope for the best. Alright, so this is how I kept it. If you're having issues and you don't know how to trade and you want to follow my strategy, you can watch these videos from beginning to the end again and you see what I've explained and what I'm doing currently if you didn't understand. I think in a few minutes I will be offering a live stream. But let's just see what's will come to pass. Mind you, we're trading for hours. So So we're just waiting and I'm just waking up from sleep, man.
Suits him best. If he eventually grows into it, though, Madrid might.
No, no. Chai. Oh boy, to be a man is not a day job. Pa, 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 pa. Let's see what's going to happen. Mm, 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 Trading the higher time frame is the best, bro. If you want to trade right now and you don't know how to start, I'll advise. Okay, I'll make a plain tutorial video on how you can use my strategy. Well, this one is plain. You can use my strategy, but the best hour. I was talking about the best hour to trade yesterday. I talked about the 5 minutes time frame, but the best of all, I mentioned 4 hours time frame is the best. The 4 hours time frame will give you peace of mind. You just take one entry, and if it goes the wrong way, you tell yourself, okay, 4 hours today did not go my way. No problem. I took just one, and I planned that I'm going to lose this amount of money. Tomorrow, I'm assured you'll go my way. And guess what? tomorrow it will go your way. That's at some point I never reasoned it like that. It works. I used to tell myself like that. 4 hours did not go my way today. Tomorrow it will go my way. And guess what? Tomorrow 4 hours will do it. And you sometimes in a week you just trade 5 times in a week because your entry, of course, because of your very critical with the trade. 4 hours will make it to the extent that your entry will be very small. You have less chances to enter, have less chances to opt out. You know, so not like the smaller time frames that used to give barriers. I said it's like 1 hour is barriers because can you imagine that 1 hour was telling me to say? As 4 hours was telling me not to say it. Though 4 hours is so slow, that is just the issue. But you just have to have that confidence that before the end of the day it will go your way. And another thing I've not checked is daily time frame. I wanted to use David. Oh God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can you see there? When this market started falling, it started last week to fall. Immediately it broke. If that I use this my strategy, I enter from there to sell and keep it. Bro, imagine me now selling with 10 here. I sold with 10 here. And Jesus Christ. Boom. 9K. Ah. And down to this extent, we're still 25K, bro. Imagine that. Can you beat that? That is beautiful. I never thought of using the daily time frame, but the daily time frame can be messed up sometimes. Oh, it is what it is. I would work on that, trying to get my daily time frame together, and we'll see. Meanwhile, weekly time frame is more better as well. I won't forget weekly time frame. It's more better. There's the technical you see is during the weekly time frame where I'll be like, man, let me see the rejection from that Sunday. On Sunday is the opening of the week. We see the rejection, how the week is reacting to this. The new week is reacting to the last week, previous high and previous low. And if there's any tendency of breakout or any tendency from the lower time frame showing that the week is running to the upside, man. That is what I used to do one time. I'll trade only one candle in a week. Alright, so what was play? Is this guy playing chess? You want to play? I need to go. Um, um, I need to go away from this. If you be equal, the sun can come. I took two steps here. I make sure it's happening. No, in one day, that is 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours is not rejecting it. Alright, no need to just waste my time. If US30 is going to reject, if you come to that area, I'm out. And 4 hours is rejecting our discussion already. So I won't risk it out much for it. If you come to that area, I'm out of the market. That is discipline. Okay, that is true. The new 4 hours candle just printed. The previous one was closed. So I'm so straight with it. I think that it's a good idea to keep it in the bottom. That's what the Gerald said this before. Because sometimes the market has already made its decision to hold and go. We want to just strike off for the last swing and we don't really caught off guard. But Euro card is doing nicely. Let me see if Euro GPY is there because that is one of my favorite pair. It's moving down, but it's not yet confirmed that we should take it or not. So we'll be looking at leaving it to whatever it's doing. Right, I didn't want to use this 5. Make it to the last. Do the 5 again, make quick retracements. Quickly, make it to be relaxed. Yeah, yeah, so this one's I took now. Is it ID to sell? But it's ADI, it's ID, okay. Well, this guy, yeah, it's ID. Just, yeah, these are early entry model. Mm. Alright, what is the time now? 3:34 past 5. 8 past 5. I'll close the trade. Let me hold it a little bit longer. Sure. I wanted to close and go do something else. I have a lot to do. I need to dress up. I need to go to the hospital. Just waiting for long. Now it is 8 o'clock. I think I will just check out all this thing to see if it's good, this thing or not. And again, guys, you can get funded from Funded Nest. This is not a sponsored video, but if you want my promo code, just send the message below and tell me, bro, what is your promo code so that I'll get double of whatever money I'm depositing, because of course it's like a bonus to you. If you're depositing 100, you get 200. If you're depositing 200, you get 400, 400, 500, 500, 600. Sorry, 100, 200, 200, 400, 400, 800, 800, 1600, 1600, 3200, 3200, 6400, 6400, 12,800. Goodness, I'm good with calculations. Get funded from fundedness. Don't call me and start shouting. It's fake. Demo, demo, demo. Wait, wait. Get funded from fundedness. Before you call me and start shouting, it's fake. It's a fake account. It's a demo account, bro. Go and get funded. Uh, Get funded from fundedness. Don't come here and start shouting fake, fake. Go get funded, bro. Go and get funded. Don't come here and start shouting fake, 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 fake. Because if you're funded, you would have known that it is not fake. This is on the bam bam. This is a good idea. I was waiting for that title to respond. I think I'm done streaming for today. Stream much. Just tell you guys about my strategy. I'll come back. I'll come back later to discuss about the profit if I did eventually get profit. For for those people who believe me, kudos guys. If you do not believe me, fine. I'm not responsible for anybody's opinion. So apart from those people who want my promo code from Fundedness, please let me know. I'll share my promo code. As low as $32, you can get a 5,000 account. I think that is Stellar 2 account. You can get that as low as $32. $32. 5K in your possession. Trade as you want. Use you don't need much again. You just need 50%. I used to say it all the time. You just need 50%, Abby. 50 to 60% profits this thing, and you're good. You don't need much. So get funded and come talk to me. We'll discuss about it. What do I want to do now? This guy is drinking. Yeah, you don't need much to actually check my I don't think so.